हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वी द वुमेन। मेरा नाम नुपुर है और आज का हॉल नहीं, आज का बेसिकली वीडियो है बेस्ट मॉइस्चराइज़र अकॉर्डिंग टू मी। दे आर अफोर्डेबल एंड अफोर्डेबिलिटी इज़ ऑब्वियस सब्जेक्टिव, बट दे आर in between like 200 to 500, so they are not very cheap but not pricey. Okay, so let's start with the first that I've tried the first time, and it's Nykaa Wanderlust. It comes in a tub. They have the body yogurt and body butter. They have two variants in that, and they have different fragrances. Okay, I have chosen Country Rose, and it's a body yogurt. Its consistency is thin. I wouldn't say it's very thin, but it's comparatively thin. Okay, it absorbs very quickly, but as per my liking, although I like rose fragrance, but as per my liking, I found it a little bit, you know, greasy or little bit sweaty in summers. As right now I'm a housewife. I am a housewife basically. I used to work before marriage, but after marriage there are many household works, and I am a sweaty pig. I sweat a lot. मुझे बहुत पसीना आता है. तो जब मैंने ये अप्लाई किया, so I felt a little bit more sweaty. Apart from the fragrance, it's good. Absorbability, it's good. It's absorbent, well absorbent. It's light, but according to in my preference in summers, I doesn't find it appropriate. There is one more fragrance which is like sea salt or something. If you are also a sweaty person and you're finding something to be fit in summers, you can try that. And the price is 550, although I got it for 360 or 70 something. Okay, the second is this. First of all, let me make you guys very clear that I'm not a moisturizer person. Even before marriage, I was not. Even I think I'm using moisturizer. It's been only 2 months since I'm using moisturizers. I used to use glycerine with water or rose water on my whole body, or else what I was doing that I apply mustard oil, and after that, after like half an hour, I take a bath. So that was my winter routine, and in summers I didn't need any moisturizer. But I think after 30, I'm 31 right now, I feel a need to apply moisturizer, especially in my elbows, my knees, my feet. They sometimes crack, so I feel a need to apply moisturizer. So the second one is this. The fragrance is good. It's Vaseline Aloe Fresh. It's a small size. The price is 95 rupees. I got it for 75 or 85 something from Nykaa. All the moisturizer that I'm showing right now, it's from Nykaa and Purple. Okay, so the fragrance is really fresh. It doesn't make you feel sweaty in summers. It's really fresh. It's well absorbent. It's very absorbent. It absorbs like this. Just pat it like this, and when you start rubbing it on your skin, it absorbs very quickly. And yes, it doesn't make you feel sweaty. It's really light, and it's my sister's favorite. She's younger than me, and she is the one who applies moisturizes in winter and as well as summers, because her skin is really dry and my skin is really oily and sweaty. So yeah, this is the second one. The third one is this, Dove. I prefer Dove sometimes because I like their fragrances. It's upon everyone's choice, but I like their fragrances. However, I don't like their shampoos and all. But the fragrance is really good. This is Dove Supple Bounce. 100 ml, and the price is 110. I don't remember for how much I got it for, but yeah, the price which I can see on the back is 110. To be honest, I haven't applied it right now. I mean, I used to use it. Uh, it's been a year or 2 years back. That time I supposed to use it in winters. But let me see in front of you guys how does it. So you can see. It has a floral perfumed kind of fragrance, and it's not very absorbent. It's light, but you have to rub it thoroughly. Till now it's not absorbed in the skin. You can see the shine on my palms. It's not absorbent. You have to rub you have to rub very hardly to get it absorbed. I don't know how people say that it's well absorbent, because I've come across very less moisturizers who are which seems to be less sticky, because I didn't like moisturizers just because they were so sticky. I didn't like sticky feeling on my body. So yeah, it's a little bit sticky. It's not light, it's not well absorbent, but it has a nice fragrance, to be honest. And my last moisturizer will be this Vaseline green tea. I have I have shown you Aloe Fresh. She's my daughter who's taking moisturizer. Okay, and this is green tea one. This is non-greasy, light and amazing fragrance. In summers, हम prefer करते हैं something which has a very fresh, light fragrance, something like green tea, aloe vera, something that you can think of very soothing and very light. So this is that kind of fragrance. I have taken a big bottle, and the MRP says it's 375. However, I don't know why MRP here is 375, because in Nykaa the MRP was showing 400 something, if I'm not mistaken, and in Purple I got it for 345 or something, and the MRP here shows 375. Okay, and if you guys want the link of it, however I don't think so the link of these things may be required, but I will link it for you guys in the description box. You can check it out, and let me know what else videos you want to see from me, like light makeup or anything, or baby haul, mother haul, kurta, footwears haul, any particular sites haul. Okay, so yeah, that was the video all about. and आपको अगर पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर आपको नोटिफिकेशंस चाहिए इस चैनल के. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.